What's up, babe? Babe, what we about to go see? What we about to go see?
Winnie the Pooh.
What?
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. I'm about to go see Winnie the Pooh. Money Boy. And for real? That's messed up. Money Boy and Money Girl. Walking down the... Damn, where you was at? Slap me. Oh, my brother said Transformer 3 was good. But I don't want to see that shit. I want to see... It's not gay. Winnie the Pooh is not gay. Look at this swag. 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 Look at that. Them swagged out. Swag. Babe.
What?
What we had to do? What just happened?
We didn't get to watch the movie?
Why not?
Because you're retarded.
Now what we watching?
Zookeeper.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Don't know. I don't know. I think I got a booger in my nose, but I don't know. So funny. So funny. I'm about to go eat some Super C's. Nice. Oh shit, I'm next. Hey, old lady people. You know what I'm saying? Really? Look what you did to my... It's not cool. What is that? And you go... This generous like a letter. Old people skip me? What? Look what you did. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's
Stop.
losing. No, you gotta look too. Trying to kill me. Candle. Here, look, here's more shake. Oh man, nice. Why you gotta hit me for? You're always going... That's a big. No. What you got there? You're not even writing anything.
Don't tell me what I'm not writing.
How far can you make it? How far can you make it? I think I'm not gonna make it. Which look, shoot. You're the one saying I can't make it.